conservation and forestry education in Mississippi will benefit as a result of a generous gift.
Artists, more than 350 acres of longleaf pine trees and unique wildlife habitat has been added to the forest land owned by Mississippi State University. The land adjacent to Camp Shelby in South Mississippi will be added to the more than 18,000 acres of timberland owned by MSU and designated for teaching and conservation purposes. Known as the Bulldog Forest, this new addition is a win-win situation for the state and the U.S. military.
Remember one of them particularly.
A gift from Mississippi State alumnus and Moss Point native Davis Mortensen made the latest addition to the Bulldog Forest possible. The 352 acres of timberland near Hattiesburg is adjacent to Camp Shelby and located at the southwest corner of the military installation's property.
When I was first approached about participating in the Bulldog Forest program, the two key factors that sold me on the idea was the fact that it's going to be a teaching forest, and also the proceeds from the timber harvesting will be used for scholarships for MSU students. And to me, that's a very important element.
The project involved several partners. The gift from Mortensen enabled the MSU Foundation to acquire the property. There were also funds from the Department of Defense, which wanted to establish the forest as a buffer around that portion of Camp Shelby. And the Nature Conservancy holds a working conservation easement on the property to allow for timber production and harvesting.
We've worked with Camp Shelby and the Army National Guard for a number of years. We've worked with Mississippi State with their scientists and other experiences. And again, this is just a wonderful, wonderful day.
The Davis and Ann Mortensen Forest is expected to be an important living laboratory for Mississippi State students because of the longleaf pine ecosystem and special wildlife habitat on the property.
Both the forestry and the wildlife students will learn how to manage timber as well as how to protect special, unique habitats that support the gopher tortoise, the red cockaded woodpecker, and the black pine snake, all threatened and endangered species.
For the military, the Forest County Timberland is the first privately funded ACUB site in the state. ACUB is an acronym for the term Army Compatible Use Buffer.
The partnership with the various entities allows us to begin the process of developing the buffer around Camp Shelby so that we can ensure compatible use with civilian development. It's an incredible opportunity for us.
The university currently has more than 18,000 acres in the Bulldog Forest program. From Hattiesburg, Mississippi, I'm Leighton Spann reporting.